Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my childhood summer treats. Yes, we're making suck y'all. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the authentic way on how we make this. So basically I just have some water, 4 cups of water, and I have my strawberry syrup, this very kind Grace strawberry syrup, and we have some lime. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the juice from that and then add it to my water. Alright, so usually we don't have measurements back home, we just eyeball it, but I'm going to do a measurement so that you guys, if you want to try this, you'll know exactly how much to put it there. So basically I just put 1 lime to 4 cups of water and half a cup of the syrup, and I'm going to taste it. And yeah, basically I'm just going to add some like a whole cup basically, so 1 cup total to 4 cups water, and I have two more limes that I'm going to juice to add to this, and that made it perfect. It reminded me so much of back home and when we used to make this. But yeah, pretty much not only for the summertime, but being that it is seasonal here in Canada, I just said summertime, but yeah, you usually enjoy this whenever, pretty much when you're back home. But yeah, so basically I'm just juicing the other 2 limes. I mean, you can use the liquid lime juice, but I wanted to keep this authentic as possible, okay? Because it's been a while, okay? But I could have made it easier for myself by using the liquid form, which is fine. Or you could use lemon juice as well, but that's why I'm going to show you the alternative way, okay? So if you can't find this syrup, I found this one at Freshco. It took me a while to find it, actually. So yeah, I found it at Freshco, and yeah, so, and I got my limes. They always have limes anyways, but yeah, so basically I'm using those sandwich bags, because I don't know where to find, or even if Canada does have those type of bags that we usually use back home. So I'm just basically using the sandwich bags without the Ziploc part, and yeah, it worked perfect actually for this. Yeah, so basically I'm just using one of my kids' cups to do the measurement with and to hold the bag in place while I pour it out. Then I basically just twist the top of it and then tie it very tightly and securely so it doesn't seep out. Alright, now for the alternative way if you can't find that syrup. Okay, so here I have those it's actually a syrup as well, the ones that you have to have like three of that container full of water to mix it. So yeah, it is a syrup. So yeah, if you can't find the original syrup, then do it this way. And I'm just gonna add the water to that as well. Okay, and then I'm just going to add my lemon juice. I'm basically going to eyeball this, so this is not a measurement one, just the first one. And yeah, I'm just going to add a couple of maybe tablespoons of lemon juice. It depends on your taste, okay? And it needed a little bit more, so I just added more. So this is all depending on your taste, okay? Yeah, so basically I'm just going to be doing the same thing I did in the original part. I'm using the sandwich bag, and I'm just going to measure it out and secure it at the top, and then yeah, I'm trying to get the air out. It's good if you can't, you can't, but try to get the air out so the bag is completely full. Yeah, I'm making it and my kids want it already. It's not even frozen yet. I have to keep saying, wait, it's not frozen yet. You need to let it be frozen, or else it's not suck. It's like, I don't know what to tell you. I say you have to wait. But eventually I gave my daughter one anyways. I gave my daughter one and she drank it. So, but then she waited for the other ones that were frozen, so that's fine. my son is a fan of it. My baby is a fan of it. My second child that I actually gave this to, she's, she liked freezies, but I kind of wanted to cut back on the sugar that I'm giving them. That's why I'm going to do the best for kids one after this part. Okay, so these are two ways you could do it if you don't mind the sugar, and it's cheaper than buying freezies, to be honest. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop that in the freezer and let that freeze up. Now this is what I would prefer to do for my kids, because less sugar. Okay, so I'm using the 100% juice, and I'm just going to do the same thing, but just add it to the bag. And then I rather this method than the first two. Yes, I did grow up on the first one, but I rather this method for my kids because I'm trying to cut them back on sugar intake. So this is a very good thing, because the juice is like $1. The juice, I got it for $1. So I could get different flavors, which I did, and I can make this for them, and I don't feel so guilty that they're eating so much of it, because one pack of Freezy that have like 20 in it will last maybe 2 days, and that's just too much. So if they do finish this, I'm not feeling as guilty, because it is 100% juice. I know, yes, there is sugar in it because of the fruit, but I'm not as guilty as the added sugar in the other two. Okay, so you can do this one for your kids, or it's just, I find that it's cheaper for me to buy freezies, and it does not go as fast as freezies, but at least I know it's like natural in a sense, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I get like maybe 5 or 6 out of that box, so it is a good amount. And yeah, just gonna freeze those up. And this one is my original one, and yeah, and this one is the grape and the alternative one. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.